On a bustling street in Shivamogga, an intense scene unfolded on Thursday afternoon under the Kote police station's watch. A traffic constable Prabhu flagged down a vehicle driven by Mithun Jagdale, a resident of Bhadravati, for alleged traffic violations. But what began as a routine stop quickly spiraled out of control. Ignoring the constable's instructions, Jagdale accelerated, forcing Prabhu, who had stepped in front, to prevent him from leaving onto the car's bonnet. Shocked onlookers captured the officer clinging desperately as the vehicle surged forward for nearly 100 meters, the footage of which quickly went viral on social media. Prabhu escaped without serious injury, but the reckless act did not go unpunished. The Shivamogga police swiftly registered an FIR against Jagdale, charging him with obstructing a public servant and reckless endangerment. A manhunt ensued, leading to Jagdale's arrest late Thursday night. In a statement to the press, Superintendent of Police Mithun Kumar emphasized the importance of respecting law enforcement, underlining that such incidents serve as a reminder of the critical role of traffic regulations in public safety.